Gee, that looks cool. Smile. Now's the time you can start fighting with each other.
It's the only thing that stops them fighting from each other.
Don't you punch each other real quick.
Hi.
The keys in your iPod.
Yeah.
See that race? That's Harbour Bridge. Isn't that well done?
But I already got it, Steve.
What'd you say? No, say it!
Jumper. Say it.
Where's that video? Oh, where's it going? Is it on YouTube? It'll be World Wide Web. Well, we can do a loop. Yeah, see it all. Like, you wonder what's in this building? Custody.
No, are you actually going to?
Going to what?
Put them on YouTube.
Yes. Way to go.
Sorry.
Look this way.
Oh, you don't get in my photos. Now you're jumping to get into Steve's.
No, we're getting in his way.
See?
Can I photo bomb? Charlie, look like an old I got lost. Better go to the statue.
Okay, that's all good.
Oh,
sorry.
Look at that. That's amazing. Now here's the little pig.
Yep.
Oops, sorry.
Sorry.
Hey, watch it. That's pretty clever. Yeah, that's Steve's head. You look very excited. Would you rather beat the cricket? got something wrong with your tooth. Can you see your mother? No way.
You got no hands.
So we got in that thing, so yeah. But we thought we might actually have trouble getting in here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Show off.
Oh, Lillian! I said stop.
Hey. Oh, good on you. I think it's great.
Well, look where it's coming from. I know we were right. Yeah, we were right near the Harbour. Dad, look at that. But that looks like a Rubik's Dad, that's
Disagree. Amazing when you stand right up front in the middle. If you can look past the vehicle. I really like that one when you're standing like really close up front. It trips you out. Okay, if we've got to go.
No, that's ballooning. I was gonna put it up. What year is your
Can you believe that?
stand out. We're gonna stand out now because when people look up, there'll be one with the light.
They will.
I'm holding up the trophy. Who's ready?
I can see the reflection.
We just turned the light on.
I can see the reflection of you in the window.
I don't remember
See,
seeing
look,
that
there's
one.
you.
I can stand it.
Can you see the laser light that comes up here?
down on this one. Just. Oh yeah, shit. Okay, put it on. Put it on. Charlie, you put it on the wrong way.
It doesn't matter, Chloe.
I can see people taking.
Oh, I can see a fairy.
And I will be
Another
right.
fairy in the opera house.
So where you stay?
I'm staying here
In the city.
in
That all
the city.
1886.
Yeah, good, Charlie. Stay next to the water tank.
Smile.
No, I'm not walking the wrong way.
There you are, trouble.
I hate this store.
Hey, smile. Everybody be happy.